We'll begin with the basics. Name the Liverpool quartet whose 1967 album Sgt. Pepper's Lonely Hearts Club Band redefined pop recording. And the correct answer is option D, the Beatles. Identify the band who topped US charts with the guitar riff of I Can't Get No Satisfaction. It's option B, the Rolling Stones. Who electrified Woodstock by shredding the national anthem on a white Stratocaster at dawn? Correct answer, option D, Jimi Hendrix. Now we're in the middle ground. Brian Wilson masterminded the lush studio LP Pet Sounds, for which surf-infused California group. The answer here is option C, the Beach Boys. Jim Morrison fronted what Los Angeles band famed for the smoky single Light My Fire? The answer here is option D, The Doors. Released in 1969, the rock opera Tommy came from what British band featuring Pete Townshend? We were looking for option D, The Who. Janis Joplin first gained fame singing with which San Francisco psychedelic outfit behind Piece of My Heart? You're looking for option D, Big Brother and the Holding Company. Here comes the real challenge. Grace Slick belted out White Rabbit while leading what Haight-Ashbury band steeped in acid rock? Got it? Option D, Jefferson Airplane. Eric Clapton joined Jack Bruce and Ginger Baker to form which power trio behind Sunshine of Your Love? Correct answer, option A, Cream. Ray Davies penned You Really Got Me for what British group he formed with his brother Dave? Correct answer, option B, The Kinks. How many did you get? Drop your score in the comments and subscribe. We drop quizzes every day.